It's critical for teachers to get specialized training in social studies because of, number one, its complexity, and number two, its critical importance. So the complexity of social studies education, teaching teachers to be social studies, is because it's not only about history, it's about politics, it's about economics, it's about geography and their interrelationship. So that's about culture itself. I see training social studies teachers as training citizens who are very well informed and can meet the problems of the day.
So especially considering the political and social climate right now, we absolutely need to support teachers in the field to make sure that they remain current in the field. And there are lots of ways to do so. The challenge is, how do we maintain contact and ensure that those teachers have professional development that makes sense, that's meaningful to them. One of the best ways we do it at BGSU is through our field placements. We get our students in the field from their introductory courses through their senior year, and we do our best to maintain communication with those teachers in the field, not only around how our teacher candidates are doing in their classroom, but around other things they need, other misconceptions or other challenges they're facing in their own classrooms.
My interaction with BGSU was extremely positive. It prepared me extremely well for the field, specifically with the assessment pieces. We're in a very data-driven society with education now, and a lot of the assessment courses and a lot of the interactions that I had with my professors really prepared me for that data piece, as well as just having everything be student-centered. I have always been used to everything being teacher-centered, especially with my experiences in K through 12. And I think BGSU really prepared me to put the education in the students' hands and make the students accountable through student-led instruction.
For our students, I think they see their curriculum at BGSU to be interdisciplinary from their freshman through their senior year. Another piece, I think, an exemplar of that collaboration in the School of Education and Human Development here is immersion.
This is a hybrid AI software. It allows us to give our students opportunities to teach and reteach, receive and give feedback on all kinds of critical issues in social studies. So faculty design simulations based on what students need. Students interact with a set of 5 student avatars. We also have avatars that are cooperating mentor teachers and parents and principals. So it's a really nice confidence builder for our students and a unique opportunity for them to mature in their presence before students and their feedback for and with their peers.
The program at Bowling Green is structured in a way that you're always building off of fundamentals. Concepts that you will learn in Introduction to Ed, it'll carry through your entire teaching experience, even past when you graduate. One of the greatest things about Bowling Green is that the facilities, they're meant to help you. There's a lot of available programs that they have here in the facilities, such as there's a food pantry here. If you need professional clothing, they have that available to you. They have mental health counseling, and the faculty is equally as great. If you're having a problem and you reach out to a professor or just a staff member here, they're here to help you out.
Our faculty and our facilities play an important role in the preparation of social studies teachers. I think we have an incredible faculty who don't just teach about social studies, they live it. They model best practices, they are quick to adopt innovative technologies. They use immersion, right? So before we can even get students into a regular classroom where they're interacting with real students, they have an opportunity to do simulated experiences. And I think most importantly, they model what it means to be a good teacher in terms of listening to who your students are, recognizing that your students bring their whole selves to a classroom. If you're not paying attention to who the students are and what they're experiencing, the content that you're trying to teach really isn't going to mean much to them. But if you can figure out the first part of it, the second part really comes alive for them.